Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mike KOLLIN at crackedfemalecode.com. Alright, so this video is going to be about something that women talk about all the time because it is the number one most powerful thing a man can do to draw a woman to her. It's called being grounded or emotionally grounded. This is the power that you're missing. Most men have no idea not only what this means, but how to actually physically do this. This will draw her to you and make her fall in love.
Yeah. So there's a couple words that you use that I'm like, yeah, they don't understand that word. I'm trying to remember what it was you were saying. Oh yeah, the word grounded. Men are like, what does that mean, Mike? I could logically explain it to you, but until you come in the door and you learn how to ground yourself, it's because you're going to be up here going, I'm grounded. No, I had a client. I was trying to teach it to him, and he wasn't grounded. He goes, I'm grounded. I'm like, no, you're not. Okay. If a guy were to walk in the room right now, could you tell if he was grounded or not? Or up in his head?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do it, but I can't unground myself. It's hard for me to do it. I mean, this is what it looks like, but I'm faking it because I can still feel my weight inside. Hey, how's it going, guys? They become bobbleheads because this is their ego, and they're trying to do the male push energy thing. Now, when I say push energy, do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
How about if I say when a man laser beams you with his eyes?
Oh, I can feel that. As a woman, I think all women can feel that. The laser beam.
I can feel it because I'm open. Now, guys, here's the thing. When you open up and you're like, holy shit, like literally, and then you're like, oh my God, I do that to women all the time. And then you notice that they lean away when you talk to them. Do you ever lean away when a guy does this?
Yes.
Even if I'm across the room. Let's say I'm way over here, and even farther, let's say, and I'm laser beaming you. Can you still feel that? Mm-hmm. Yep. I'm doing a little. I'm not doing it very good, but I'm doing it. And she's kind of pulling away like this. Not a lot, but she's kind of holding herself there too, like like she's bench pressing or squatting or some deadlifting, like. Right. Yeah. So when men laser beam you, what does it do to you?
It pushes us away as a female. It kind of gives us like a red flag. Like, hold on, what's going on here? Something isn't right.
It's creepy, huh?
Yeah.
Does it feel pushy? What is it? Like, see, you're doing it with your forehead. Her forehead's tight for the first time in this conversation. I don't normally talk about this with the woman because it'll close her up. Are you feeling closed now?
Yeah.
So it's closing her up, which means now she's in her forehead. And she's like, oh, I want to get out of this fuck this shit. You want to get out of there, huh?
Yes. That whole laser beam, and it was like, oh, okay.
And
it kind of makes me shy away.
And guess what? Men have no idea they're doing this. And when I bring up, I don't do that. I've been doing this for 30 years, guys. 100% of my clients go, oh, I've never done that. And I take them in public, like, yeah, you do it everywhere you go. You did it to me when you first walked in the fucking door. And then when I finally open you up and take you out, you're like, oh shit, why are those guys doing that? I'm like, you mean what you did before you met me?
Get the edge in dating and relationships, love and sex. Buy my book, Cracked Female Code, right now at crackedfemalecode.com. You want more power in dating, relationships, and sex? I'll show you how. Go to crackedfemalecode.com. Click subscribe, click the like button, go and make a comment, and I'll see you in the training.